Hi, welcome to my channel today. This is Kajatu Beauty. Today I'm going to show you how I do my hair conditioner that will help me nourish hair and make my hair grow. So today what we have, the ingredient is, we have sulfur 8, here it is, and we have our blue magic here. We have our almond oil. I see almond oil. Almond oil is very beneficial for our hair. It makes our hair soft and shine. It helps our hair grow. It also contains high amounts of vitamin E and natural antioxidant. Yes, that's what we're going to use today. And we also have our castor oil. Castor oil is has benefit for our hair. It's also rich and fights inflammatory. It also enhances hair flow, and it also promotes hair growth. So we need this for our hair. And also today we have our conditioner, hair mayonnaise. This is our hair mayonnaise today. And we have Amelia oil. This oil is from India. Yes, the India it's oil. It makes your hair longer and strong and dark. It also treats hair loss and dandruff, according to what they said. Yes. Okay, this is our container we have here. We have this container to put our conditioner after we have finished today. And we also have coconut oil, organic virgin coconut oil. My favorite. And I have this hair food from Ghana. Yeah, I normally like this. It's nice, make my hair softer. And I have just a little bit of essential oil. Why am I using this essential oil is because of this Indian oil, because it's a little bit smelly, and you don't want to put something that's smelly on your hair, and then particularly when you go to work or anywhere, it will be, yeah, that's why I'm putting this. So I also have my Ghana oil. Ghana oil is good for, it's very good oil, this one too as well. So today, my coconut oil, I have melted it. I have melted my coconut oil. Guys, forgive me. I have melted my coconut oil. This is my coconut oil family. Here. This is my coconut oil. There it is. Yep. Melted. I melt it in the microwave. So I'm gonna pour it on our nice cup here. That's it. So also today I'm going to put the castor oil. Castor oil. Just 1 spoon. Oil. 1 spoon of this too. Indian oil. I don't want to put too much on it, it's really smelly. I'm gonna have my essential oil there. Can keep that smell away. That's it. Good. And have my argan oil as well. It's a good oil. Smell nice. Okay, and I also have my essential oil, guys. Here it is, to keep that smell away. And it's peppermint one. Peppermint. So this is it. Peppermint. Nice. Smell nice. Little bit. So I'm also gonna put my Blue Magic. Yeah, for why am I doing this is that because you know, instead of us just having one hair conditioner, you don't have all the variety. So that's why I normally use all these ingredients so that I can have mixture of it. Yeah. So that's one of the things. That's why. So that it can really help your hair grow. With it. Yeah. 2 spoons each. It's up to you how many you want to put on it. I normally put 2. Sorry, 2 or 3 actually. Because I'm doing for me and my girls. Okay. My mind is, I don't think I have much there. I don't have much. It's almost finished. I need to buy some. It actually smells nice. There's not much here today. Okay, now I have this my garlic oil. I'm gonna put 2 spoons. I like it. The smell is so good. Good mix. Yeah, still mixing here. There we are. We are almost there. Oh, look at it, nice. I just want to show you guys something. Look. You see? You see? So soft. Nice. What I use for my hair. Okay. Okay. Now I have my container. Those are my container. I'm gonna already put hot water so it rises very nicely. I'm gonna pour in my hair conditioner in here. Look, guys. I just want to come and feel that. Look at my cream. Nice. It will sit for a while and then it will. I want you guys to see how it like. Look at how it's looking like myself. And this is how look at that. So soft on your skin, on your hair, on your scarf. Look at that. Yeah. Yes, bye guys. Please guys, subscribe, like, comment, so I can make more hair product for you guys. I have more coming up. Please subscribe and like, support me. Yep. Thank you. Bye.